Hey y'all, if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. All right, YouTube, welcome. It has been a long couple of weeks for me, but I am back, and I think I'm gonna stay back because this really helps me mentally. Just watching me, expand, and watching myself on the camera really just gives me not hope, but it brightens my day in a way. Other than my son always brightens my day, but this really just gives me, this is a type of therapy for me. When I just turn this camera on, I could be whoever I want to be. I can be myself. I could be free. I could say what I want to say without any judgment. The comments or whatever, I really don't care for. Negative comments, I should say. But once again, welcome back. I am back. I am officially back. I'm gonna be coming back with you guys with the weekly videos. I'm gonna try the weekly videos, but I will promise that I am coming back with no questions asked. So without further ado, this video is going to be about, as you can see, I didn't kind of already halfway talk through. I talked through the whole thing that didn't even have nothing to do with the video, but this video is going to be how I did my bob. More like a blunt cut bob in a way, because it was pretty long. Yeah, so the camera piece that had paused, I showed you guys what I was using. I braided my hair. I went on ahead and outlined what I needed to outline. The faces that I be making when I do my hair, just ignore it, please. But yeah, so as you can see with the with the popsicle stick, it wasn't working. So I ended up using my hand because it had to get done, and it was just falling all over the place, and it was just taking too long. I'm very impatient when it comes to my hair, so bam, there I go, using the slick it on down. So I used I used my hand, and it was the protective shield basically. So when I'm gonna blow dry this, I think I'd already sprayed it with the Gots to Be glue spray, and I blow dried that out. And then yep, I'm gonna blow dry this. I blow dried this for a good about 20 minutes. So yeah, that's what you see me doing right here. It took a little minute to get this completely dry, but this basically is going to protect the glue from actually getting on your hair. So when it's time to take it down, it's literally all you got to do is just wet your hair, and it's going to come off. Or you can use some conditioner to just take it out, and it's going to literally slide right on off. So right now you can see me just applying the tracks piece by piece. Yeah, so the thing about this, I will say, when I was applying this track, which is something that I learned, I did cut it because I really couldn't see anymore, and it was kind of tight as hell on my head. But what I did learn when I did this is actually my first time doing my own quick weave. So what I learned was the ear portion. I put the tracks over underneath, like behind my ear, but over it. So when it was time to like glue it down, it's like over you see how I kind of like forced my ear to get in between the hairs. I should have did piece by piece. Like I should have cut little pieces and then surrounded it around my my ear lobes, but I mean not ear lobes. My ears just in general. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It really hurt over time. Like as the days the days went by, the longer the days were going, my ear was like really bothering me. So yeah, but next time I know what to do. But anywho, yeah, I'm just literally doing track by track, piece by piece, and I'm gluing it as much as I can down. This is my first time doing it once again, so yeah. also meant to tell y'all, as y'all can see, this hair is mad cheap. I think this hair was like $10. Like, it was so synthetic. Like, it's certain brands that you can use where you can get the real Babiana flow, the real, you know, bouncy flow. But once again, this was my first time, so I just, yeah, I was really over this hair at one point in time. But we got through it. Right now I'm slicking my real hair down. When I did cut the bob, the bob, I had to cut a little bit of my real hair. But hair grows back. It's not like I did a big chop. I just had to, you know, even it out so it can match the actual weave. And the color that I used for this weave, this synthetic weave, was I think 2. I think I should have got 1, or I usually get 1, the color, the shade color 1, but I think I got 2, so it's like super, super light brown, but I kind of really like it. I don't think I'll ever dye my hair again because it took so long for me to get my hair back healthy, but yeah, I think it was the shade 2. I'm going to find the brand and I'll put it in the description box below. If I don't find it, y'all, my bad. But I know that you can use some real good hair would be the model hair or the Dream Weaver hair. I believe Dream Weaver is like what people prefer when they get a bob. But I'm going to look up some more stuff for you guys just in case. But period. As you see, period. Big period. We're doing a bust down midi, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna just let the music play because I really don't have too much to say. I don't think I was on camera showing you guys me cutting it, but I did in the beginning kind of show y'all how it turned out. I think my camera had died, so I didn't get the opportunity to show y'all when I cut it. Maybe not. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It's been so long since I made this video, and I'm literally just going off the dome as I'm talking, so bear with me. All right, so we coming to an end. Once again, thank you for always tuning in. And I am going to, I know I said every video, but I am going to keep up with my weekly videos. I just been going through a lot right now, but I'm back. I promise I'm back. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See you in next week's video.